scare warning, I'm in my basement. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time with no C. I have been taking some time to kind of organize my life a little bit because I'm going through a quarter life crisis, if you can't already tell, but that's all right, we all go through it. Today I thought it'd be really fun to kind of work on the laundry room basement area a little bit because I get a little bit spooked coming here by myself to do laundry. So I'm gonna fix that. Pip agrees too, it's a little bit spooky. So that's what I'm going to do today. So this is what the room currently looks like. I have not done anything to this since I've moved in. This like really scary rug here is from the previous owner. Like all of this is from the previous owner. Obviously there is a lot of stuff that I can't cover up or do anything to in here. So I decided I want to go with an industrial vibe. Right now all that is in here is the shelving unit that also came with the place, and then just all of these random supplies stacked on it that I'm going to remove. This just doesn't cultivate a happy environment, if you ask me. I'll speak on my plans for what I want to do with this wall in a second, but for right now, that's just what it looks like. I really wanted to knock out this wall and make one really large laundry room that goes all the way through to that storage closet there. However, this is a load-bearing structure wall, so I can't do that, so this is what it's gonna be. I'm probably going to do something different than this wood here in the future, just for like soundproofing for whatever I use that room for. But for right now, I just want to make it look not scary, if that makes sense. I'm gonna give it a general cleaning because there's like spiders and stuff and I'm a little spooked. This is what the other side looks like. So I have this washer and dryer. I actually feel like I'm gonna have to get at least a new dryer soon because it's not in the best shape, but I honestly have no idea how the previous owner got these in here because they literally won't fit in the doors, so there's just a lot going on. Also, jump scare alert with the concrete on the stairs. I swear that's not what the finished product is going to look like, but there's also like some little surprises here and there, like the stuffed animal from the previous owner that I haven't touched. I just get like really scared, but today we are conquering our fears and I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna zoom out even though it makes it a little bit blurry so you guys can see everything that's going on, but there's extra space on either side of the washer and dryer, so I think I'm gonna push them down a bit, and then this can be where the laundry itself is stored. Obviously this little bit is going to be closed off so that there's soundproofing and so that you can't see into the living room. But I basically just want to build like a structure that kind of makes like a table and then another little surface you can fold on top of the washer and dryer. There's also these little foam balls literally everywhere in the house. I've been cleaning them up everywhere, but the living room that you can kind of see from here used to be a greenhouse, and so there was like a diagonal ceiling and the little foam balls would be used as insulation, and now they're just everywhere, so I'm probably gonna find even more when I clean this room. This is basically what that whole area looks like. Again, just not very inviting. And then over on this side where there's that shelving unit currently, I really want to put some closed storage for like cleaning supplies, and then I want to put a really cool rounded hanging clothes solution that I found on Amazon. I'll show you guys that soon, but I want to put that right there. Hopefully everything fits. This door is really small. I want to fix it somehow, but we're just taking things step by step right now. My goal with this project is not to go crazy, but just to take things slow and make a small part of my space a small bit better. So I think this would be really good for any of you guys who are in a similar scenario and are not feeling making an entire structure right now and you just want a little pick-me-up. I think this will be perfect. So let's get into it. Okay, pause in our regularly scheduled programming because there's a lot going on. As you can see, Dylan installed some stairs for me since he ripped out the old ones. So these are here, and I think we're also going to build some that go up into the loft. So that's coming soon. All of my kitchen cabinets have arrived, I guess. So this is the fridge, and then all of the rest of this is just cabinetry, and I have to figure out how to get that inside and how to get it installed and everything. It's gonna be so fun. But I just wanted to show you guys as a reminder, these storage units right here that are in the garage, that is exactly what I'm putting in the basement for the laundry room, hopefully if it fits. I bought an extra one and I just plan to keep like some trash in the bottom of it and then all of the storage and stuff up top for laundry supplies. They have these like mid-century modern handles and everything, and I really like the way that they look and feel, so I'm excited. It will have that little doodle on it though, so it'll look kind of actually similar to this brush holder that I made a while back. There's a lot going on. This garage is such a mess. I want it finished so bad. So that's what's going on in here, but I will be picking that up at some point. And then all of these kitchen cabinets have to go into the kitchen once I'm home from Milan. So that's exciting. Yay! Just in case you couldn't tell how packed the garage is, this is what it looks like from the outside view, you guys. Like, it's completely full. Here is a little sneak peek of the wood grain over here, but I'm really excited about it. Okay, so this is what the clothes hanger looks like in person. I love gold, but it's just not the vibe that I'm going for here. Also ignore this. This was a whole event. Just ignore it. I'm gonna start with a metal primer just to make sure that everything lasts as long as possible. I don't want to have to be touching it up all the time. And then I'll go in with a color and a sealant. Product looks like. I think it's so much fun. I can't wait to see it in that space to help brighten it up a bit. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this journey of starting a solo project, and I will have more updates for you guys soon, but I'm just really grateful for those of you who are here supporting and being really nice while I'm not in my ultimate peak. But I'm really excited to show you guys some new renovations I have coming up that I'll be doing solo, or just like other cool house projects. Like, all of my cabinets arrived. That's crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys all next week for some more design stuff. Bye guys.